Who is the first woman Prime Minister of India? A. Indira Gandhi, B. Sonia Gandhi, C. Pratibha Patil, D. Sumitra Mahajan. A. Indira Gandhi. Who was the first woman Chief Minister in India? A. Mamata Banerjee, B. Suchita Kriplani, C. Indira Gandhi, D. None of these. Answer B. Suchita Kriplani. Which is the largest state in India? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Rajasthan, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Maharashtra. Answer B. Rajasthan. Which is the smallest state in India? A. Uttarakhand, B. Manipur, C. Goa, D. Assam. Answer C. Goa. Who is the first citizen of India? A. President, B. Vice President, C. Prime Minister, D. Chief Minister. Answer A. President. Who is the second citizen of India? A. Vice President, B. Prime Minister, C. Former President, D. Governor. Answer A. Vice President. Who is the third citizen of India? A. Former President, B. Vice President, C. President, D. Prime Minister. Answer D. Prime Minister. When the Indian peoples celebrate Independence Day? A. 15 August, B. 10 August, C. 4 August, D. 26 August. Answer A. 15 August. When we celebrate our Indian Republic Day? A. 12 January, B. 21 January, C. 24 January, D. 26 January. Answer D. 26 January. What is the total number of characters in the Hindi alphabet? A. 32, B. 52, C. 62, D. 42. Answer B. 52.